Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to get more pets on Widgetable. First of all, if you don't have Widgetable app, then download it from the Play Store. Tap on Widgetable app on your screen to open it. Once you're in, tap on Pets option right next to Friends. It will enable you to start hatching the eggs. Here you can hatch 2 eggs. The first one is premium, and the other one is an unhatched egg. The first option is the premium, which will give you unlimited pet chat, pet rocket, and further premium features, but you need to pay for it. The second option is the non-premium option. From this option, you can get the pet immediately or can wait for 24 hours as per your choice. This will give you a pet. You just have to be more regular in hatching eggs in order to get more pets. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.